I dare you in this moment to dream. I dare you to stop doing what you're doing, stop everything, stop the car, stop texting, turn off Facebook, stop doodling and distracting, and dream. Stop your life in this moment. Push the pause button on the mental chaos that is going on in your life and in your brain on a daily basis. And I ask you to dream. Stop doing what you're doing and listen to me for just a moment. Your daily dose today is to dream. Think of your life. Think of this one area of your life, health, wealth, relationships, or your spiritual journey, and take one area that you are struggling with. And I want you to dream a new dream. I want you to dream a new vision. Don't let the beliefs that limit you. Don't let your kindergarten teacher limit you, or your high school guidance counselor limit you, or your husband limit you. Just think, if I was going to dream just for a moment, what would this new scene look like? I don't make enough money, so I want to dream of what it would be like if I had millions of dollars. Dream. Take the lid off. Take the ceiling off. Be limitless. If I could just dream about this, if I in this relationship that's emotionally, maybe even physically abusive, if I could just dream for just a second, what would it be like to be in love and to be truly loved and cared for and supported by someone else? What would that be like? Dream without the limits. Dream without the ceiling. Don't let anybody on this planet tell you you can't have something or you can't experience something. This is your life. You came into it alone. You will leave alone. During the time between birth and death, you will meet all these people that could support your dream, or they could steal your dream. I'm asking you right now, don't steal your own dream. Don't squash the ability to go bigger for a moment. For just a moment, stop what you're doing. Take a deep breath. Take that area in your life and just expand it. And let the joy and the power of creation wash over you. Do this every single day. Dream about something. Look out the window and imagine your life being different. Imagine what it would be like to be that. And harness your goddess-like powers today.